Describe something you own that you want to replace. You should say what it is, where it is, how you got it. Explain why you want to replace it. Answer: one item that I currently own but would like to replace is my smartphone. While it has served me well for quite some time, I feel it's time for an upgrade due to several reasons. The item I want to replace is my current smartphone, which I use daily for communication, work, and entertainment. It is always with me, whether in my pocket, on my desk, or by my bedside. I bought this phone around 3 years ago when I needed a reliable device for both personal and professional use. At that time, it was a high-end model with great features, and I was really excited to own it. However, as technology evolves rapidly, it has started to feel outdated. There are several reasons why I want to replace my phone. Firstly, its performance has slowed down significantly. Apps take longer to open, and multitasking has become frustrating. Secondly, the battery life has deteriorated, which means I constantly need to charge it. This is especially inconvenient when I'm traveling or attending meetings. Lastly, the camera quality is no longer up to modern standards, and since I enjoy capturing high-quality photos, I feel limited by my current device. Overall, I believe upgrading to a new smartphone will enhance my productivity, improve my user experience, and allow me to take better pictures. I'm looking forward to replacing it soon with a more advanced model that meets my needs.